Hello my dear students, I am Dr. Anamika Aherwal going to lecture on the big data. Uh, these are the topics which I have covered in this lecture. What does big data mean? Big data tools and techniques, pitfalls of big data, underfitting and overfitting. Now what does big data mean? Big data is a large volume of structured, semi-structured and unstructured data that has the potential to be mined for information and used in machine learning projects and other analytics applications. Now, these are the tools and techniques which are used in big data, basic data manipulation and analysis, and this performing well-defined computations or asking well-defined questions, that is queries, and data mining, looking for patterns in data so that we can extract the data, and in the machine learning using data to build models and make predictions. Nowadays machine learning is a very important topics for the research. Many researchers are working on machine learning. And the next is data visualization. This is also very important technique in this graphical depictions of data. And the last is data collection and preparation. Now, there's the pitfalls of big data. First is collect large amounts of data and do something with it. Now, next comes to underfitting and overfitting. Machine learning uses data to create a model and uses more to make predictions. Customers who are women over age 20 are likely to respond to an advertisement. Students with good grades predicted to do well on the set. The temperature of a city can be estimated as the average of its nearby cities, unless some of the cities are on the coast or in the mountains. Underfitting means model used for predictions is too simplistic. 60% of men and 70% of women responded to an advertisement. Therefore, all future ads should go to women. If a furniture item has 4 legs and a flat top, it is a dining room table. The temperature of a city can be estimated as the average of its nearby cities, unless some of the cities are on the coast or in the mountains. So this all comes in the underfitting. Now, overfitting is model used for predictions is too specific. The best targets for an advertisement are married women between 25 and 27 years with short black hairs, one child and one pet dog. If a furniture item has 400 centimeter legs with decoration and a flat polished wooden top with rounded edges, then it is a dining room table. Thank you. This is all about big data, and we will continue with the next topic in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye and